How to log into CoinMarketCap. If you wish to log into your CoinMarketCap account, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. What you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the CoinMarketCap app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Then what you want to do from here is tap on the profile icon from the top right. Now if you don't have an account, by the way, you can tap the sign up button on the top right hand side, but if you do have an account, go to the login button here. Just enter the email address and the password that is associated with the CoinMarketCap account, and then tap the login button. Now what happens is that if you had linked your account using Google, Apple, or other account as well, you could be able to log in using those. But if your details are correct, when you tap on login, you should be able to log in without any form or issue. This way you'll be able to log into CoinMarketCap. Now I hope that the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.